So an update on the Clockspring. So I got a new one in the mail. I installed it. It works. It just worked when I put it in. Everything worked like it was supposed to. So that one was obviously faulty. Now I still have all these lights on. And so I bought this scanner because we're gonna need to shut off these lights. So we hooked up this thing and we're gonna go in here and we're gonna go to all systems. Enter. Now we're gonna start with the airbag because I think that system is fine. We just have it on because we disconnected that airbag. So we're gonna go here. So we can read the fault code. Well, let's see, control unit info. Okay, not what we need. Read fault codes. 2 codes. Front passenger side airbag disabled, open circuit, short circuit to ground. Front passenger side. Front passenger side. Okay. Function restriction of seat occupied, recognition due to implausible message. Okay. Let's clear those. Are you sure? Yes. Will it go off? It went off for a second. Okay. So now let's read those again and see if we, oh, now we only have one. Front passenger side, airbag disabled. Front, that's over there. Maybe because of all that stuff on the seat. Let's figure it out. Okay, so I traced this number into something that told me that the passenger airbag light was disconnected. So I pulled this off. It just pulls right off. So if you want to see how I got this off, I pulled right here on the bottom, just like that, and then pulled slowly and it pops off, just nice and easy, see? And that's how I got to this back here. When I got it off, I realized that this was disconnected. So I'm gonna connect this wire back. Somebody must have been in here and pulled this out, and that's gonna shut off my airbag light. So let's try it. We're making progress here. We're gonna have airbags again. Okay, I just got it plugged in there. You see that's on? Hold on, shut that off so you can hear me. So that's plugged in from the back. It really doesn't have that long of a wire. So now we're gonna go back into here and we're going to exit and then we're gonna clear that fault code. Are you sure? Let's see, will it go away? Bam! Look at us. Airbag light. Not too hard to fix that one.